course, Cassidy Frisch, her daughter, Chevelle Frisch, singing the national anthem. Quite an honor. As she's now on the track, regrouping as the car corner pace car will duck in. The winged women on wheels. Coming around turns 3 and 4. And here goes the heat for the winged women on wheels. And it's that 18M. Shauna Myers, only 5 points out of the lead out front. 63 car of Cassidy Frisch, your points leader in second. Ashley Matson at 66 car, currently third. But it's still Shauna Myers out front. She's got a feature win, 5 top 3 finishes for that 18 machine. Having a little trouble in turns 3 and 4 as Cassidy Frisch and that 63 is now coming up on her.
Testing 1, 2. Okay, we're good to go.
Here. Shauna Myers in at 18, taking it too high and wide on turns 1 and 2, and it's going to be 63 of Cassidy Frisch. Frisch still out front. Shauna Myers in second now. Ashley Matson third.
Shauna Myers got a little high on wall, turn 1 and 2 there. Almost kissed the wall there as they're coming into 3 and 4 now. Ashley Matson running third. Shauna Myers getting a little loose there, maybe having some handling issues in that 18 machine.
63, Cassidy Frisch still holding on. 2018 Bandit champion. 2016 and 14 women on wheel champion. She's got 3 features and 2 heats in her back pocket, and that 63 machine of Cassidy Frisch out front.
So with 1 to go, she is our current points leader in the women on wheels. Actually, they're first, second, third, just like they are right now, and that's exactly how they're sitting in the points series as Cassidy Frisch just gets a win here for her first heat win of the night.
3rd heat on the year for the 63 machine of Cassidy Frisch out of Beloit, Wisconsin.
That will be our only heat race for the winged women on wheels, as our the Miller Lite American short trackers will come out for their heat races next. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, next Saturday night, the Hugh Deary Classic 99 featuring the super late models. They're going to be running 99 laps here at the